Hey guys, welcome to Tosca Automation tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss what is the difference between Tosca and Selenium. Which tool we should use to automate our end-to-end of any application. Before we proceed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you'll be not missing any important topics that I'm going to cover in my upcoming series. Alright, let's get started. So we'll be discussing what are all the differences between Tosca and Selenium one by one. Okay, let's discuss. Tosca is a license and a commercial tool. Okay, so to use the Tosca, we have to purchase this tool. We'll be getting free trial for few months. Later, we should purchase the tool to use it. Whereas coming to Selenium, it is a open source tool and it is a free tool. Okay, so here we no need to pay anything. The second difference is Tosca is a zero coding tool. I mean, we can automate by using Tosca tool even though we don't have any coding skills. Okay, so with zero coding skills we can automate by using Tosca tool. Whereas coming to Selenium, to use this Selenium tool and to automate end-to-end testing of any application by using Selenium, the tester should have coding skills. Without coding skills, we cannot use Selenium tool. The next difference is in Tosca, test cases are highly reusable. Okay, so whatever test cases we are designing by using Tosca tool, we can reuse those test cases in our later page. But in Selenium, test cases are not highly reusable. We cannot reuse those test cases. For Tosca, we have a dedicated support team. So, if we have any issues during our testing, we can raise a ticket and there is a particular technical team. They can check our ticket and they will get back to us as soon as possible. But coming to Selenium, we don't have any customer support. Okay, so there are some open forums, there are some communities. So with that communities and with that forums, we can communicate with different people and we can resolve our queries. But there is no particular support team who can help us. Tosca is having object repository. Okay, so it is having object repository where we can save our test data, test cases, everything, and other person can access it. But in Selenium, we don't have any integrated object repository. Tosca gives reporting and analytics features, whereas coming to Selenium, it is lacking with this feature. We don't have any reporting and analytics feature in Selenium. Tosca supports different enterprise applications. By using Tosca, we can automate end-to-end of enterprise application like SAP, Salesforce, etc. But Selenium doesn't support enterprise application. Okay, with Selenium we cannot automate SAP application, we cannot automate Salesforce application. Tosca supports scriptless test automation, meaning with zero coding knowledge we can automate end-to-end of any application by using Tosca. But coming to Selenium, it doesn't support scriptless test automation. To automate end-to-end testing of any application, we have to know the coding. Without coding, without scripting, we cannot automate by using Selenium tool. So, both Selenium and Tosca have their own pros and cons. Choose a tool that provides the maximum benefits based on the requirements, scope of testing, and scalability, etc. Because every business has its budget when it comes to choosing a tool. So, compare the pricing plans and choose a tool that offers benefits that align with your testing goals. That's all for today's video. If you find this video is helpful, then please like, hit the subscribe button and share with your friends. Thank you.